Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video of June's box from the Stationery Selection, and because I don't have a lot of time, I won't go into too much detail. If you're interested in more of like the swatches and things, if you're interested in like the products being opened and used, then I highly recommend checking out Skylar's videos. She has both of them up already. I'm going to try my best to film June's box and July's box right after this. So let's get right into it. So this is June's box. You'll notice the information sheet here on the back. We changed our logo, and in the upcoming boxes you'll be receiving business cards with the new logos, and we have several different colors and types. I might do like a little update on Instagram, but anyway, so here's the information sheet if you want to pause and check that out. So here are the items. This box was quite heavy. It's pretty jam-packed. Month to month we try our best to find the best box that matches the quantity, or like the items. We try our best to reduce the waste that way, but anyways, enough rambling. So I will go through this list. So the first thing is the Bokundo Japanese watercolor set, and they're sumi based. Here are the colors and the names. When you look at the paints itself, they all look dark. You don't really see there's a slight tinge to them, but they're all dark. But if you swatch them out, they're really nice. This is a brand new pack. I have my own pack that I've been playing around with, but like I said, if you want to look at the swatches, definitely check out Skylar. She's swatched out these paints in her video. Also check out Instagram, and on the blog post, the design team members have already played with these sets, and they've created such beautiful work in their journals. So don't forget to check out the blog as well. So there's a watercolor set. Next is the Classic-y washi tape, and that's what it looks like. Then we have the Mindwave Owl sticker sheet, and this is also in the washi, the really thin washi type of sticker. I really like these washi stickers. They're nice and light. They don't cause too much bulk. Then we have the Pentel Aquash watercolor, and this is in the bigger, broader nib. I don't remember what month it was, but several months ago I included one, but it was in a different nib size, so I thought I would try something different. But it is in the broad. Let me open this up so I can show you. But yeah, like I said, Skylar has it on her video as well, but that's the big one. I don't own this size. Sorry, I don't have my other ones with me, but I usually go for the fine tip. But this broad tip is really good if you want to cover a whole bunch of space in your journal, like if you want to plop down color on your journals. So there's that. I actually really like the Pentel ones. I've tried several other versions, but I always keep going back to the Pentel. And then this one is a beautiful postcard. It's an illustration by an artist here that lives in Japan. She's a British artist. Her name is Emily Pencil, and I reached out and I asked her if she would be interested in doing like a collaboration, and this is her artwork. It's so nice, and you might, like, for me anyways, in my neighborhood I have a store like this, and a lot of the like neighborhoods in Japan, there's like these little shops, and the one that I have, there's like I don't know how to say, like a wagashi, Japanese sweets and things, and this one, it says odango. really nice, and this is all of our original artwork, and we decided to put it on a postcard. And I don't know if you've noticed, but can you see the blue edging? I don't know what it's called. But yeah, it's a really thick, really thick postcard, and we decided to go for like the luxurious type of postcard, and there's like a blue edging on there. So there's that. Next one is the Unicolor Erasable Mechanical Pencil, and this is in the blue. You will see the lead is blue there. And to go in conjunction with this, I decided to include the refills too, like the color refills. But I didn't want to just do blue. I thought it would be fun to do like a mix. There's a mix. If you see the leads there, I think that is so fun. I know a lot of people like to sketch in color pencil, so I thought that would be interesting to add. And because this is the 0.5 millimeter, a lot of the, like sometimes I've noticed that the lead sometimes might be 0.7 or maybe 0.9, and it might be a little bit more difficult to find that kind of a mechanical pencil, but the 0.5 is quite universal, so that's why I decided to choose this refill. I like it when I can. I like to include like refills to pencils or pens, so I went with this one. So this notebook is the Maruman VIF Art. Maruman is a very famous Japanese company. They make notebooks and sketchbooks, and they have this VIF Art. They've made it in the past, but this is like a renewal of their version of a sketchbook, I guess. And there's two versions in the boxes. I couldn't get all one set, so some people will get the blue and then some people will get the green cover. So with this one, it is the smooth paper, and then the green is like the medium or the natural surface paper. And you can see here it's made in Japan, and that's the weight of the paper. But yeah, so this is the smooth version of it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference there, but and it's really nice because it has a nice cover. It gets in hardcover, and you can take this out with you sketching, and then you can tie that up. It's really nice. You just have to rip off the packaging. So there's that. So that is June. I don't know if I'll have time to do like a journal with me session. If I do, I will, but I'm not 100% sure. I guess I will just talk about, maybe I will talk about just some admin things. I've received a couple of emails about the business cards. So, like I said, we have a new business card with a new logo, so I will most likely include the new business card with all of the boxes next month. But in the previous months, I've been really trying to be aware of not causing too much junk. Well, I don't want to say the business cards are junk, but I'm sure the people that have subscribed for several months, they don't want to keep getting the business card, or I'm not sure, maybe you do, but I'm trying to be more aware of that. So I've been trying to include the business cards for people that are still new to the boxes, or that have just only subscribed once. Yeah, I hope you understand. Like, I don't want to keep including the business cards if you've received it for several months. But please, if you still do want to receive them monthly, like if you want to receive a business card every month, then just let me know. But yeah, I've been trying to be more aware of that. And also you'll notice like the boxes don't have those paper confetti type of things, because I'm really trying to be less, I don't want to cause too much garbage or excess things that's not necessary, and that's why we changed it to one sheet instead of the two papers that were there previously. And also it's helped me with some time, like cutting down my time too, because of course it takes time for me to cut and print, but just using a printer and making it double-sided lessened the waste a little bit as well. So August is going to be skipped I am going to just take several weeks off, and I need a break, so I'm just going to take several weeks off in August. So there will be no August box, but if you are a subscriber, your automatic payment will be automatically moved 1 month later. So there's nothing that needs to be done on your end. If you are a subscriber, it will automatically, your September's box payment will automatically come out on August the 20th. So there's nothing that needs to be done on your end. Oh, the postman is here. 1 second. Okay, sorry, I don't remember where I last left off. But yeah, if you are a subscriber and you still want to receive the business cards every month, just let me know in an email, and I will gladly put a business card in for you in the next box. So I think that's it for June. Like I said, don't forget to check out the blog post as well as the videos from our design team members, and you can see how they used these beautiful items. Also the hashtag, the stationery selection. A lot of people have created beautiful artwork on Instagram. You can check out the hashtag, and I think that's it for now. I know sometimes it's hard to sign up right away. A lot of people are visiting the website and they don't understand what's going on. But if you follow us on Instagram or on the Facebook group, I will post a notice there when the September box is ready for purchase. I still haven't decided on a release date yet because we may be going away on vacation. Yeah, so I still don't know the release date. Usually we would do it on the 1st of the month, so for September's box we would be releasing it on August the 1st, but it's not confirmed yet, so just stay tuned for that. Yeah, I think that's it, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.